Okay, once again, big thanks to Bill at Auxito LED Lights. So for the Snowflake here, which is my 2009 F-150, go back and watch those videos if you haven't. I'll stick a card up here. He sent me a set of LED headlight replacement bulbs and fog lights. The headlights are a Q16, so they replace a 9008 H13 halogen bulb. Fog lights are a H10 or a 9145 or 9140 bulb. So not only did he send me these to try, he's also going to give you guys a discount code, which I'll put in the below, and I'll also put my affiliate link, which if you click that link, use the discount code, you guys get a discount. I also get a little bit of money towards the channel. So that's how affiliate links work. I'm not here to sell their stuff, or tell you it's good if it's not, or tell you guys you should buy it. I'm just here to try stuff. If it looks good and if I like it, I'll let you know and share it with you guys, and that's what's going on here. So link in the description, coupon code CPR Garage. So let's get into installing this. This is only going to take like honestly 10 or 15 minutes if you're not even hustling. So if you can change a headlamp light bulb, you can install a set of these. You can see these are just the stock housings. I have cleaned these up because they were pretty yellowed. I do eventually want to replace these with the black housings instead of chrome kind of outline here. They're black. So we'll do that when we do the kind of makeover on this Snowflake, but I'll show you how we get these switched out. The easiest way I think is going to be just to go ahead and pop these housings out. I've already had them out once and it doesn't mess with the adjustment because they basically bolt in there solid, and the adjuster is on the headlight itself and just moves the little bucket in there. So we'll get these out and show you the comparison and show you what they look like. Okay, pretty simple. Just 3 bolts and then some clips on the end, and you can just kind of lay the light down here if you don't want to take it all the way out. The old bulb twists and pulls out, and this should be an H13 bulb, I believe. We'll see what they sent me. 9008 or H13. So here is the bulbs. Come nicely packaged, and they should resemble the connector on our bulb we have here, which, yes, it looks like they do. So these are an LED bulb with a little fan inside of there. So there you go. That's what they call for. We'll make sure they fit. Okay, so real quick, here's one and one. First one is in. There's old bulb. You can see them on the side of Vicky here, and the difference in the amount of light that they throw. Okay, so here's what LED headlights and regular fog lights look like. Okay, and here's the fog lights. Super easy, if you can see that. So just unplug the connector here, and then quarter twist, and they pull out. And there is your halogen fog light. Okay, so here are our replacement fog lights. Looks pretty good. All right, let's stick that guy in there. Let's see how. What's that? Okay. Just that easy. Okay. And there is the whole shebang. All right, let's head out back to our backcountry road and take a look at what that looks like in comparison. Okay, we're gonna try to do a better job showing you the difference on this one. So we're in the snowflake on a dark country road here. So this is low beams plus fog lights, and there's fog lights off, and then there's high beams. So they're not terrible, but definitely could cast a lot more light. So let me get out and we'll show you those all again. So this is low beams and fog lights again. Just stock halogen bulbs. And this is kind of the light pattern. There's just low beams. And there is just brights. So we'll head back and swap them out. Okay, these are so good. I had to give you a little shot going down a dark back highway also. So this is high beams, and they just light up so much more of the roadway and the borrow pit, because it's hard to explain, but there's a lot less dark spots in the beam. It just fills up all those little areas and really casts a lot better beams. So there's high beams, and there is low beams with fog lights, and just low beams. Definitely would recommend these. Okay, so here's our dead end back road again. There is low beams with fog lights, low beams only, and then high beams. Look at the train going by down there and how much it lights up the reflectors. So, man, for about 15 minutes that it took me to install all 4 of these, and like a little over $100, this is a great upgrade for an older vehicle. Okay, so there's low beams with fog lights. There is just the low beams. Lord, don't let me get hit by a critter. And there is the high beams. I don't know if you guys can really see it down there, but it even lights up the side of the interstate overpass down there. So that's the high beams. Look at how much light that is. Good mod for sure.